Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lincoln Tech in Grand Prairie, Texas. My name is Jack Gritton. I'm an education supervisor here at the campus.
And I'm Tom Felger. I'm with the diesel side of the campus here at Lincoln Tech.
What we're going to do today is we're going to give you a virtual tour of our school, including our shops and a few of our classrooms. Thank you for joining us. What we're in now is one of our typical collision classrooms that you guys will be in every day. If you'll notice, we have audio and visual capabilities in this classroom. The instructor will have you get your laptops out, finish assignments on laptops. They will give you live demonstration and, of course, live lectures. That will all be done in the classroom. And then after this, you will go out into the shop and get your hands-on experience. Next thing to do is let me take you to the collision shop. Hello again. Just want to show you our collision shop. We have a very, very large collision shop. What you see behind me is our NASCAR that was painted by our students years back. This NASCAR won the 1991 Daytona 500. The car you see in the air up there is what we call our 911 car. It was also painted by our collision students about 6 years ago. Over here, I'm going to take you through and show you a few things we have in this shop. Over here in this corner over here is our aluminum and TIG welding lab for collision. What you see behind me is two fully functional paint booths where we can put 2 cars in each booth. These are downdraft paint booths, and you can paint one car one color and another car the other color at the same time and not worry about overspray getting on the cars because they are downdraft paint booths. Thank you for your time. Welcome to the Learning Resource Center, or better known as the library. What you see behind me is our Student Services Office. She's the person that will help you with any kind of issues that you're having in school. You will also see that both Education Supervisors' offices are right here. That's where we are located at. Notice that we have several books. We have manuals. We have lab manuals in here and Chilton manuals that you can look up various different repairs. Finishing off the Learning Resource Center, you'll see the office behind me is the office of our academic dean. He is the person on this campus that handles all the academic affairs for the campus. Office to my left right here is our registrar. She is the young lady that handles all the records for not only us but also all the students that are involved in the school. She is a very good resource. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Rick Cowley. I'm the Director of Education of Lincoln College of Grand Prairie. First off, we just want to thank you for taking our tour with us, and we're glad to have you here and be able to visit with you. We can't wait to see you on campus in the very near future, and good luck in your future career.